Hey, I want to tell you about Pamo Babe. In this small box, you will get this magnificent thing. This has such a great engineering design. It has so many parts to it. It is a 4-in-1 must-have for parents. Now, let me just tell you all about it. First, as you see here, when your newborn is an infant, you have this bassinet that fits on top of here, and it wheels around. It has 4 wheels, and each of the wheels lock. It is waterproof and you can wipe it down. It also has a hanging accessory for diaper changing. So in addition to being a bassinet, it also serves as a diaper changer. Now this is just the right size when your baby's very small and you want them next to the bed next to you. But then you still have a lot of use out of it when the baby goes past that stage. So many pieces stop at that stage and you need a piece for every stage. This is the answer for all the stages. So in addition to having the bassinet, it has a little toy ark here, and you can take this off when your baby is ready, and this becomes a traveling crib as well as a playpen for the baby. When the baby's still very small, this is a good size. It's very easy to get the baby in and out at this level, and it is very sturdy. As I take this apart, I will show you all the safety features inside. Now, this playpen itself is made of water-resistant materials. Everything is thoughtfully designed. All the corners are smooth. There is nothing sharp on here, and even all of the playthings are very smooth. Now, this play arch does come off. You can use this as a playpen here, as a diaper changer, and then when you're ready to use it as a deeper pen, let me show you. Such a smart design. It comes with great instructions for what I'm showing you here. You take out the pad. Now, this in and of itself can be a play pad or a diaper changing station when you need it to be. And in here, there is a net with 3 posts in it. Now this entire thing unzips. Such a smart design. Now these posts snap in here. When you're ready to take them out, they simply pop out like this. But guess what? They stay attached to this net, so you don't have to worry about losing them, which seems to happen when we go through different stages with transitional pieces. But this entire thing zips in and zips out. So look how easy this is. There is no worrying about lots and lots of hooks and loops that you have to put together. It zips. A zip is very sturdy, and it comes out and it folds up the size of the holding bag. Everything is the same size. Even the toy ark is the same size. Now, here is your deep playpen. Now watch, the same pad goes back in here and makes for a very deep playpen. Now this play yard will last them a long time. There are Velcro loops. You can flip this over and secure that at even another level, but there is posts in this area making that very sturdy. Now this mesh screen here makes it very breathable and lightweight, and it is awesome. This is a great playpen. Now you will use this for years to come. This piece is designed from 0 to 3 years old. You can see this is very deep, very secure, and you can put toys and things in here for the baby. Now, in addition to this, you have this net system. Now this is a Mosquito net system that you simply zip on top if you choose to use it. It also acts as a sun shield, and it zips apart. So if you want just the sun shield or just the net, you can do that as well. And it's reversible. You can use it on either side. This folds back up when you're not using it, and it folds very small, also fits in that bag. Now, the great thing about this piece here, it has a system called Magic Fold. Everything slips off easily, folds back down. Now, this Magic Fold system here is the beauty in this piece. These wheels, they roll in a 360-degree level, so it's not like just front and back, which is so cumbersome when you're trying to move it around. Now, this is the easy part. There is one loop in the middle, and it simply folds together that easily. Wow, so great. And all of this, plus the pieces, fit into this nice handy bag that zips closed, as well as has handles. It is small enough to take on an airplane, and it is large enough for your baby to sleep and play for years to come. This piece was provided for me for my honest review, and I love it. Look again how easy it is to set up. One push down, one push up. All of these pieces together with this one price, with this one bag, fits together. This is so well priced, you will find it replaces several things that you have on your baby nursery list. I highly recommend it. It's a great piece, and I look forward to having it with my babies for years to come.